Hey loves, Tylah here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another of Tylah's first tries and we're going to be doing brownies, really moist and fudgy brownies. So first I'm going to start off with 1.5 stick of butter, melted butter. Now I'm adding in some white sugar. I'm going to follow up with brown sugar, vanilla extract, and then 2 eggs. I want to take this time out to thank you guys for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this video, my first try at brownies, please like the video and don't forget the subscribe button and notifications bell so you get alerted every single time I upload a wonderful video. So one integral part of this recipe is that since I'm not using any chemical leaveners like baking soda or baking powder, I have to literally whip the living daylights out of these eggs. So I'm going to use my hand mixer and I'm going to mix this for about, I want to say between 6 and 10 minutes. I spent mixing this and you can see throughout like the time lapse it slowly gets brighter and brighter, and that's because the air is getting incorporated into the mixture. And yeah, it's supposed to make for airy but still fudgy brownies. So to melt the chocolate, I had a cup of chocolate chips and I melted that in the microwave for about a minute and a half. And then I added about 1/4 cup of half and half and I mixed them together to make a sort of like fake ganache type thing. So it looks like I'm mixing pretty fast, but in reality I'm mixing very delicately because all that air that you beat into your egg and butter mixture, you don't want to lose that. So it's really important that all the mixing done after that point is really delicate. Now I'm going to start sifting my dry ingredients. So this recipe is something I came up with after watching about 3 brownie recipe videos on YouTube. So yeah, I did some alterations in regards to measurements and ingredients I wanted to use and was able to come up with my own little recipe. So I'm really excited about that. That's been a really fun part of this first try stuff, just getting my overall recipe together. So now we're just mixing everything together to make our brownie batter, basically. Again, mixing gently so you don't deflate the batter. So this is how I make my brownies. I know most people make brownies in like an 8x8 pan, I believe, but I like very crisp edges. So I lose out that middle part by making separate little brownies. So I'm sure you guys noticed I sprayed my pan. I just sprayed with canola oil just so nothing sticks, everything comes out really smoothly. And now I'm just dumping, I'm pouring out my brownie batter into the little cupcake papers. And if you want, you can definitely not use canola oil and you can use butter and rub them individually into the cupcake paper or just in the 8x8 pan. I was just feeling lazy, so I didn't want to do all that. So the purpose of the slam is to even out the top of the brownie. These are my results. Like, they are to die for. They are so moist, so fudgy, but super soft and like a little cake like. So I'm super happy. Thanks you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe below. Here's some bloopers for fun. And yeah, toodaloo.
Not. It could be one of Tyler's first.
No. Yeah, it would be because I never made blondes before.
Exactly. I'm giving you ideas, babe.
I'm gonna keep this in the video.
Yeah, double paper. So the bottom too. I gotta tell because the rest of them is like transparent. And then...
You're a liar. You don't know what you're talking about.
Am I wrong?
You don't know what you're talking about.
There you go.
Liar. You can't taste it, Mama. They gotta cook.
They gotta go in the oven. Yeah. Brownie gotta go in the oven.
No, Mommy, I can cook. I don't want oven, please.
I don't want oven.
She wasn't there. I heard her. I don't want oven.
If we don't go in the oven, you're gonna get sick.
It's gonna make Ariel's tummy hurt.
You're gonna break your tummy.
Really? That's the best you could do?
I told her she gonna break her ass if she keeps standing in front of the TV.